be nice, Dad. Bye. See you at the picnic.
Not so fast.
My friends are waiting for me. I'm late.
Do you have a hat?
Yes, Mom.
It's going to be really hot on the beach.
What about your phone?
Don't worry. Don't worry.
So what time did I say to meet?
4 o'clock at the entrance to the park. I'll be there. Bye.
Have fun.
Have fun and be careful.
That's my girl, all right. Just like me.
We are very prepared. We are very organized. We've thought of everything. Isabel, where is the list? Isabel, do we have the food?
Are you kidding? Do we have food? Chicken, jollof rice, empanadas.
Kojo, do we have the lemonade and iced tea?
Lemonade, check. Tea, check.
Freddie and Sumi are bringing the plates and napkins. Alberto, do you have the cake?
The cake? I made it myself.
And a knife to serve it?
Got it.
I will bring the hats and fans. And today we will really need them. And we have our meeting place too. We are prepared for everything.
An alert has been issued for a severe thunderstorm and possible tornado. These are very dangerous weather conditions. Stay indoors. Do not go outside.
Flood warnings, hazardous weather conditions. That doesn't sound good.
No, it doesn't. It sounds bad.
Do you think we can still have a picnic today?
Get ready, New York, for a dangerous storm.
That looks really bad. My daughter is out there. I'm going to find her.
But where are you going to look for her?
She went to the beach, Coney Island, right?
She was going to her friend's house first. They were going together.
Do you have the friend's number?
No, I should have asked her. No lights. No power. Thank God. Mrs. Chen.